Here's how to add table of contents to WordPress. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First of all, you have to open your WordPress dashboard. Then click on the Plugin button that is on the left side of the screen. After this, click on Add New button. Then search here, Easy Table of Content. Now you have to install this one, and after this, just click on Activate button. Then come to the left side of the screen and click on the Setting button, then click on the Table of Content. Next page will look like this. Here you have to set up your table of content on the site, so first you have to check mark on Posts and Pages. Then come to Next option. Here you have to select Posts and Reusable Content, then select Position of Table of Content. I recommend you to select Before First Heading, then select For here, and then you can do other many settings according to your website design. Then you have to select Theme as Custom, and you can change the color of your theme according to your interest. Then just scroll down and click on Save Changes. Congratulations, your table of content is successfully added to your website.